Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this lovely ruffled hair clip for a little child. Now in order to make this hair clip, I have used basic crochet stitches like single crochets and double crochets. Also, I have worked a 5-petal flower and glued it on top of the hair clip in order to make it more prettier. Since we are using the basic crochet stitches, so this hair clip can be easily done even by absolute beginners. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet this hair clip are a 3-ply cotton yarn of any color as per your choice, a metal hair clip, a 0.6 mm crochet hook, scissors. I have already done with this multicolored 5-petal flower. The link of the same I shall give above for your reference. So just go through it and crochet this little flower. So let's begin. To start up with the round one, first take this yarn and make a slip knot. Open up the hair clip. Insert your hook on this portion and pull up the loop. Work one chain. Now going to the same part, work one single crochet. Now initially when you are doing this, it will be quite difficult, but as you practice it, it will become easier. So just going through this part, work a single crochet. Now continue with the sequence of working single crochets till you completely fill this part and you reach this point. And once you reach this point, I shall teach you how to go to the opposite side. See to that this portion is completely filled up with single crochets and the black surface beneath this is not visible. So as I mentioned earlier, I worked single crochets throughout this part. Now we'll move to the opposite side. For that, work 2 chains. And going on the opposite part, continue working with the single crochets. So as we are done over here, just work single crochets throughout till you reach this part. So I worked single crochets on this part too. So both the parts are completely covered with single crochets. Now in order to end this round, work 4 chains. And going to this side, slip stitch into the first single crochet. So that completes the first round. Now for the second round, work 1 chain and going into the same stitch, work 2 double crochets. Moving to the next stitch, again work 2 double crochets. So the sequence of this round is to work 2 double crochets into each of the single crochets worked in the previous round. So just continue with this sequence, and when you come across the chain 2 space, I shall teach you how to crochet over this space. So just continue with this pattern till you reach the last single crochet of this part. So into the last single crochet, I have worked 2 double crochets. Now you can see the ruffles getting created. We're moving to the chain 2 space. Insert your hook and into this chain 2 space work 6 double crochets. So I've done with the 6 double crochets. Again, moving back to the opposite side, we'll be repeating the same sequence. That is, going into each of the single crochets, we'll be working 2 double crochets. Into the last single crochet of this side, I have worked 2 double crochets. Now moving to the chain 4 space. Insert your hook and into this chain 4 space work 15 double crochets. So once you're done with the 15 double crochets, go to the top of the first double crochet and slip stitch in order to end the second round. So I have done with the 15 double crochets on this side and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. So that completes the 2 rounds of the hair clip. Now the last step would be to sew or glue this flower onto this part of our hair clip. So using hot glue, I will stick this flower onto this portion of our hair clip. So that completes our hair clip tutorial. And on the back side, it looks in this way. So you can go for the colors as per your choice that matches up with your child's dress and crochet this hair clips using this pattern. Moreover, this turns out to be a great project for your scrap yarns as well as leftover yarns. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.